Congratulations on becoming part of the Fisher family. Your new metal detector has been carefully handcrafted by the most knowledgeable professionals in the industry. Fisher M-Scope detectors have been made in the United States since 1931. With 70 years of experience behind each detector that leaves our factory, you are guaranteed the long-standing tradition of built-in quality. Hello, my name is Bob Reynolds for Fisher Research Laboratories. I work as a special process engineer for a major aerospace company out of Mesa, Arizona, and I am also an authorized Fisher dealer. I've been an avid metal detectorist for over 23 years, and today I'll be showing you the general setup and use of your metal detector. I'd like to congratulate you and welcome you to the Fisher family.
Your 1270 is a motion detector and was designed to offer you more versatility in a wide range of conditions: highly mineralized soil, extremely trashy areas, and deep targets. By utilizing the various controls on the 1270, you will find more targets that were unreachable until today. Once you have unpacked and set up your detector, spend some time getting to know the control panel of the 1270. The on-off volume control allows you to turn on the 1270 and adjust the volume to a comfortable level. The normal disc mode control gives you the ability to adjust the rejection point of the 1270, adjusting the amount of trash you wish to reject. All metal ground adjust allows you to operate in the all metal mode and adjust the 1270 to compensate for various ground mineral conditions. The iron disc adjust mode provides an expanded discrimination range to fine-tune the rejection point of most small iron objects. The headphone jack accepts most stereo mono headphones with 1/4 diameter plugs. The sensitivity control adjusts the sensitivity level and scan width of the 1270. The iron disc toggle, when flipped on, will cause the 1270 to operate in iron disc mode. When operating in this mode, the iron disc control becomes active and the normal disc control will be ignored. The silencer used in conjunction with either disc control reduces the usual clicks and pops heard while going over trash. The low battery LED will blink to alert you when the batteries are going dead. When the LED blinks, you have approximately 1 hour of usage left. The mode toggle switch allows you to switch between modes of operation without losing your panel control settings. The switch has 3 positions: normal, center position, pinpoint, pulled position, and swap, push position. When in normal position, the 1270 operates in primary operating mode set by the front control panels. Pulling the mode trigger toward you into the pinpoint position causes the 1270 to operate in no motion, all metal pinpoint mode. This mode allows you to pinpoint the exact location over a buried target for faster and easier retrieval. In the swap position, pushing and holding the mode trigger forward causes the 1270 to switch to the secondary operating mode set by the front panel controls. Fisher has designed the 1270 to be a coin and relic machine. However, you have to set up your detector properly for the type of detecting you are doing. When coin shooting with your 1270, make normal disc your primary mode and knob for discrimination settings. The iron switch needs to be off. Use the silencer and sensitivity knobs at your own discretion. When searching for relics such as lead or small brass items, the 1270 can be used in either one of these 3 configurations. In the first configuration, the primary mode will be normal disc and the secondary mode will be iron disc. The iron switch needs to be off. Set the normal disc knob at 4 3/4 or below. Use the silencer and sensitivity as needed. When a target is detected in this mode, it can be checked for iron by pushing the trigger switch forward. When you push the trigger switch forward, you are now in the secondary mode. Use the iron disc knob as needed. Most small and some larger iron should be eliminated or made to sound less desirable than a good target. Configuration number 2 is the same as configuration number 1 with one exception. If you are in an area with numerous target signals that would discourage you from wanting to check each target for iron, then move the iron switch to the on position. You are now hunting in the iron reject mode. No need to move the trigger switch forward. Adjust the amount of iron rejection with the iron disc control. Configuration number 3 is used when hunting in the all-metal mode. Set the all-metal mode knob for proper ground balancing. The iron switch should be on. When a target is now located, it can be checked for iron by pushing the trigger switch forward. Use the iron disc, sensitivity, and silencer as needed. Remember, when hunting, to dig responsibly. Always remove your targets and fill any holes. Leave the area that you've been detecting clean and undisturbed. Should your low battery indicator LED start to blink, replacement in about 1 hour will be necessary. The 2 battery compartments are on the underside of the control housing. Your 1270 takes 2 9-volt standard transistor batteries. Gently push the clip on the front end in and up. Pull the nylon tab to remove the batteries. Place your new batteries inside the compartment and replace the battery cover.
Your metal detector does not require a lot of care, but there are a few things you should do to keep it in peak operating condition. If you are not going to use it for a while, take the batteries out. Acid damage caused by leaking batteries can be severe. Also avoid extreme temperatures, like inside a closed car sitting in the sun. If you scrub the coil on the ground, you will eventually wear through the bottom. Replacement coils are expensive. Instead, invest in a coil cover. Put a plastic bag over the control housing if you are hunting in the rain, fog, or dust. Wipe off the lower stem before sliding it into the upper stem to keep it free of sand and dirt. Simply put, keep your metal detector clean and dry. Your Fisher metal detector is covered by a lifetime limited warranty. Should your unit need to be evaluated, there are a couple of things you should check prior to sending it in. Make sure the batteries are properly installed and do not need replacing, and that all the cable connections are secure. Should warranty service become necessary, contact Fisher for a list of authorized repair centers. You can also send your detector prepaid to the factory. Your original carton may come in handy if you ever have to return the unit for service. As always, should you have any questions regarding your new metal detector, please refer to your operating manual or contact your local Fisher dealer. And at any time, you can contact the factory customer service department for additional information. This is Bob Reynolds for the Fisher Research Laboratory. Thank you and happy hunting.